Hello, I'm Fire Pit Rick. Many people call us and ask us, how do I start my fire? Well, there are many ways to do that, and tonight we're going to show you one really good way to do that. You've probably heard the word kindling before. Kindling is smaller pieces of wood that light easier than larger pieces of wood and are used to light those large pieces. Let me show you. This is kindling, and this is the best kindling you can buy. It's called fatwood. Fatwood is resin-infused, smaller pieces of wood that light easy, the resin keeps it burning hot, and it starts your fire really nicely. To start our fire, we're going to set these pieces of wood in a crisscross pattern, and then we're going to add our fatwood. You can see the pattern we're establishing as we move higher and higher. Before you get too high, you do need to add these fatwood sticks, so I'm going to do that right now. You can see we have a nice symmetrical stack here. There are 4 pieces of fatwood in here. You can put more or less depending on your skill set. And we're going to take another piece and get it going to light the first 4 that are sitting inside. After we get them lit, we'll add more firewood. It's just easier right now to do it this way. You want to get it going really well. You see how nicely it burns? The resin makes it burn very hot. We'll try to get these other pieces going, and then we'll add our additional firewood. So now we have a nice corner fire going. When I'm putting these in here, I want to put this edge to the fire because it just catches a little better, a little nicer. This is shaping up quite nicely. We're going to add another layer here, and this makes a chimney effect, which helps the fire start. It may take it a little bit to get going, but our fire is definitely on the way. Our fire is really catching on quickly, and this is a perfect fire that you want to see. I'm going to add a few more pieces. I like big fires, by the way. I am Fire Pit Rick. And in a few moments, we will have a roaring fire. Easy. Our fire has been burning for under 10 minutes right now, and as you can see, it's really doing well. You can do this type of fire at your house easily. All you need is good, dry, seasoned hardwood firewood, some fatwood sticks, and a lighter. You may also want to have a really good fire pit, and we make them. Our business is Fire Pit Art. You can see all of our products on firepitart.com. Give us a call. We'll be happy to make one for you.